Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So today what I want to do is sort out the black plastics on my Mini. So that's like the trims that go around like the wheel arches and stuff like that. So I have got this Forever Black. I've seen a few sort of videos and reviews of it. Seems to be quite good. I mean, I've seen some others saying use C4, but then others that have used C4, they can't then use anything else on it because it then affects the trims and you've got to buy their new trims. So I just thought I would give this a go. Less than 20 quid. There seems to be good results. So let's cut into a little video that I've sort of done of what my trims look like now. So yeah, let's get to the car, let's give it a clean and let's start giving the trims a Forever Black treatment. Okay, so I was a bit of a numpty and I changed my hoodie because I didn't want to get any black dye on my nice hoodie, so I just changed it for another one and completely forgot about my microphone. So all I'm explaining here is that I'm not going to use the full bottle because you need like a gallon of water and I don't need to use that much. So I'm going to use half of the actual cleaning solution that it recommends because I think that it will still be enough to do the whole car and it gives me the opportunity to be able to do this all again if I need to in like 6 months time if it does actually fade. So here I am now just putting in the actual solution into the warm mixture. So the instructions are on the actual bottle itself, but as mentioned before, I'm only going to use half of it because I don't need to use that much water on my small car. So I'm going to spray it across the sides, let that then dry, give it a good clean, and that is then when I will then use the black dye to then go over this side of the car. Right, okay, so it's all dry now. I now need to apply some of the Forever Black stuff onto here and then start painting it on. I've just stuck a piece of paper here just so I don't get any onto the actual car. And apparently it dries in like 15-20 minutes, so we could get this job done quite quickly. So let's see how it goes. Oh, that smells. Looking good. Okay, so for the first coat, you can still see it's still drying. But that was the colour it was before. Yeah, it's definitely making a difference. Right, okay, so let's carry on, get the first coat on, and then we can come around and then do a second coat, and I think that should then be enough. Right, okay, it seems like it's starting to spit now, so I'm going to stop because I don't want it to become an issue with the rain and it not go on properly, etc. So might look a little bit funny for now with it only being, yeah, one side, but hopefully it will allow it to dry. And at the moment it is just sort of spitting, so hopefully it doesn't come down majorly. So yeah, we'll come back to that hopefully a little bit later on when it's a bit drier, and I can carry on with the car and I can show you the end results of the whole lot. Right, okay, so this is the first coat that I've allowed it to dry. Now, yeah, you can see, like, yeah, the brush marks by the looks of it. So I'm hoping that on the second time round, I can try and get it a little bit more smoother, kind of go with it. I was kind of just, yeah, lacquering, you know, like slabbing it on. So I'm not too fussed about the finish, but at the moment already, I think that's brilliant and amazing. Yeah, I do need to do this bit and see if I can actually get that to match this, because, yeah, I don't like the two different colours there. But as it's dry, let's yeah, carry on. Let's do this side. Let's do this bit here. Right, well there we go then, the end product. So I've just gone around the whole car now for the second coat, so that's why you can still see that, yeah, it's a little bit wet. But yeah, that's where we are at. It definitely matches a lot more between those two now. But what I would like to do is basically let this set on the car, and then in like a week's time when I then come to wash the car, I can then give it a wash and then, yeah, apply then another coat. Now, I haven't done the front bumper, but you can already see, like, yeah, the obvious difference. I mean, that to that is what the car looked like. The reason I haven't done this, because I wanted to spray it this, yeah, color code the front bumper basically, because I think that would look good then when I put my black aero grills in. So
But by the time I come to do that, I don't know, I probably will end up doing that because I think it's going to be a while before I actually get the paint and stuff. So I will end up doing the front bumper. But I think that is a good job for the Forever Black, to be honest. And what I'll do is a update in like 2 or 3 months time on the Mini, let you guys know then, yeah, how it then looks. But yeah, it does look like some of the streaks are sort of, yeah, coming out now. But yeah, we'll just have to see. I don't know, maybe putting some lac over the top. I haven't seen any of that. Don't know if anyone has done that before or not, but yeah, right, well, that's where I'm going to leave this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please do hit a like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and join me on the next one. Bye.